Hello everybody, welcome to Mama's Soul Kitchen, and today we are making potato souffle. This is one of my grandma's favorites. She used to call me every holiday and ask me, how do you make that stuff? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to make that stuff. We have some boiled soft potatoes right now, so I'm mashing them and they're still warm. That's the secret. It has to be nice and warm. Now we're going to add in half a block of cream cheese. Now this depends on how much you're making. So I cut up about 6 big, large potatoes and diced them up. Let them cook until they were nice and soft. And then we're going to add in some sour cream as well. We're going to add in some seasoning, and it's about what you put in your seasoning, right? Am I correct, you guys? You guys should know better. Okay, now we got the sour cream. We got some of our Mama Soul seasonings, which is the famous no salt. You can always use a lot of that because it's no salt, remember? Okay, now we're going to add in some more seasoning, which is a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of garlic salt, not much. We're going to add in a little bit of Mama Soul seasoning salt. Then we're going to add in some fresh minced garlic. We like lots of garlic in our household. We already added in about half a stick of butter. Now we're going to add in the chives. Now this is what we're going to do. We're going to mix this up into some nice, good fabulousness. Make sure it's all incorporated together. You want that cream cheese to melt perfectly, and it's going to be doing that. Look at that. It's already soft. It's better to have it at room temperature, but if it's cold, and if your potatoes are already nice and hot, it'll melt your cream cheese without any problems. I don't add milk in it because I like it nice and thick and whipped right. Milk will make it like too runny. You don't want your souffle being runny. This is one of the meals that we have at the Thanksgiving table and the Christmas table. And it's never hardly any leftovers because everybody loves this souffle. So you keep on mashing it up. And it's okay if you have a few chunks in it. It's all right. So we're going to come back and I'm going to show you the next step. Alright, you guys, we are back. I have melted some more butter, about 1/4 of a stick of butter, into this dish. Now you can double up on your recipe as well, but this is just a nice bowl casserole dish. It's about enough for our family for tonight. We're going to pour the rest of that into the potatoes, the awaiting potatoes, and we're going to mix the rest of the butter up in these potatoes, not too much. And then we're going to add this to our casserole bowl. Sorry about the noise there, you guys. Okay. Now we're going to add that on in there. Here it's sizzling, y'all. Nice and hot and ready. Look how thick it is. That's the consistency that you want it. You don't want it runny, you guys. If I had my 2 hands, I could scrape the rest of this out, but that's all good. Now I'm going to show you what you guys do next. After you get all of that out the bowl and the pot, we are going to flatten it out. And you can choose to add more butter on top, right? And just let it cook like that. And we're going to let it cook for 40 minutes. And it should be nice and brown around the edges. We're going to take the foil off of it after that and let the top part brown for another 5 minutes. And it's done. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to show you the final results when it's done. Stay tuned. And this is what it looks like when it's ready to be placed in the oven. Do you see the edges with the butter? And see how it's kind of like crisping up on the side there? It's kind of fluffing up on the edges. That's what we want. Now you guys can put more butter, like I said, on top of it. If you're butter savvy, go for it. But this is just enough for my family, okay? I gotta watch it. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the oven and let it bake for 40 minutes. And we'll be right back when it's done. Alright, you guys, it's been 40 minutes later. Take the foil off, then you let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes uncovered, and look at the perfection there. Look at that. See the crispy side of the potatoes? That was from our melted butter in the beginning. Look at that. Oh yes. That's why they pour extra butter on top, because look how much butter is there. See that? Oh my goodness, look at that. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys tuning in, and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button below for more upcoming recipes from Mama Soul Kitchen.